I've been doing everything for the plot. So when Studio M invited me to check out their updated salon and get a sew-in with their new SMS hair collection, I had to pull up.
Hi, my name is Muriel, and I'm the owner of Studio M Beauty Bar here in Frisco, Texas. We did a remodel about 3 months ago. That was right after you left, and so you are here to see the finished product.
Yes.
We kind of designed it after the Gucci Chateau feel. Okay, so if you want to come over here, I'll show you our ladder lounge. This is where all of the magic happens. This is going to be your favorite spot. Sometimes we dim the lights so the clients just have a really relaxing experience. And then we accented gold trimming on the arches, the details.
Love it.
Okay, if you come into this studio, this is going to be our SMS hair extension studio. And so we have two different lines. We have in our SMS hair co line, we have our signature Brazilian. And so you can get body wave, straight, curly, or kinky straight and kinky curly.
What is beauty to you?
I think it's just, I won't say authenticity, but it's just the freedom to be everything that you were supposed to be in life. Our actual chateau, if you come in, we have the 3 stations here. Okay, and it says Be You, Be Beautiful on the wall. And then we have our gallery wall here. We wanted to do an interesting twist with it. Not really a flower wall, but we wanted to have some accent of some kind of nature here with pops of antique gold.
Oh, I absolutely love it.
Thank you.
So I think by now we can all agree that Studio M is sitting real pretty, honey. Let's also agree that this is my favorite part of getting my hair done. Is having my head in that bowl and somebody scratching the scalp. Oh, I love it. I also love that Studio M swears by design essentials, because so do I, and I have for years. Now, my favorite part of the day, Mr. G arrived, walked in the building bringing all that good energy. Absolutely love him. And wine appeared. And then product education, product knowledge. I love it here so bad, you guys. You just never understand until you book. The princess treatment is unmatched. Let's get into this style. We back. Y'all know how bad I love getting my hair done. I want to be a hair done. I said that last time. So we're back at Studio M Beauty Bar in Frisco, and I'm getting a little something different. This is my first time getting a sew-in in like 10 plus years. So things have changed. There's new tips and tricks and hairlines and all the things. So I'm gonna let the owner of Studio M Beauty Bar introduce herself and let you guys know what we're doing today.
Hey guys, so my name is Muriel. I am the owner of Studio M Beauty Bar in Frisco, Texas. And so I'm super grateful to have our Maven here. Okay, so we had her here a couple months ago. After she left, we started a renovation. And so we pretty much did a revamp of the entire space. We turned it into a Gucci Chateau. We are inspired. Our clients are inspired. It's a whole mood in here. Super grateful for her to see this revamp, this remodel here in the space. And so we brought her back in, and we're going to do a install. Well, we did an install. That's what you see. We're working on the finishing of the styling of the flip over method with our SMS hair extensions in the iconic raw and curly hair. And so, yeah, we're doing this flip over method for her. We are excited about clients returning back to more traditional hairstyles. So the traditional sew-ins are back, the natural hairlines are back, the just taking care of your hair in general is back, and that's what we specialize in here. So it's been working for us.
They're so knowledgeable. Not only is the vibe good here, but the education and the knowledge that you get about what's going on with your hair is top tier. Just know that. What we did a little bit different with this curly sew-in that includes the extension line, the SMS hair extension line that actually just recently launched. How long ago did that launch?
Officially February of this year, of 2025.
This year. Okay, okay. And there's textures and styles for all the girls. The body wave, the kinky curly, the kinky straight, which I got my eye on that too, but we're gonna sit with these curls because I'm a curly girl, y'all know that for real. But that kinky straight, and that's actually what you have right now.
Oh yeah, I'm a kinky straight girl.
You guys look so cute on her.
Thank you.
So that's what this install is featuring, but in addition to that, with some of my leave out, well, all of my leave out They did apply the same smoothing treatment that I got a few months ago that I absolutely loved, and that's going to help with the manageability of my leave out during the next couple months that I have this sew-in. So I love that. So I saw on Instagram that you have been working on and has successfully launched a hair perfume.
Ain't that crazy?
A hair perfume?
Ain't that crazy?
I cannot.
Okay.
Hey,
Mr. G.
The one, the only Mr. G who y'all love so much from the last video is here to talk a little bit more about the perfume and even show us and give a little sample. I've not smelled it at all, so let's see what it's in for.
Absolutely. So before we begin me chatting about the perfume, I'm going to let Miss Micah here smell it. Good, perfect.
First reaction video.
So this is the bottle, you guys. Super cute, black with gold and clear essence, if you would. SMS hair. Very first message. She had this like on her vision board and like had this written out. The fact that it's here is just a living testimony that you can do what you put your mind to. Y'all need to get like her and go after your dreams.
Go after it.
Product.
Put it out
Okay,
there.
Let's go. So let's see. Give it a little. I don't want to do too. Ooh. Oh, 2 sprays? That was good?
That's perfect.
Okay.
Shake
Shake it out. It's just like at Ulta. There
Mm-hmm.
you go. And let's see. She's very girly. She's soft. It's giving very much it, girl. Wow. I like it. It reminds me of one of the perfumes I already wear.
I told
Like
you.
a combination of the two. You were right. Yeah. Because I wear my favorite perfumes. YSL Libre, Chanel No. 5, Good Girl Carolina Herrera, and Yellow Diamond Versace.
Yep.
And I'm smelling the mic. Lord Jesus.
It's on the mic.
Let me put this back in here. And then rock the swan over
Thank
here.
you. We ready.
Okay, let me see. And it has the notes that I like. You were right. It's very soft. It's not overpowering with like too much floral, but there is a hint of floral and like a hint of success. Elevation. Elite behavior.
Yeah, you noticed that part.
That's what it's smelling like.
Hi Mavens, greetings. How's it going? Happy to see you again. So this is our newly launched perfume, hair perfume. It launched on July 7th of 2025. We named her Blackbird. She's inspired by a luxury vacation. And some of the notes that you will get when you experience her is lavender, citrus, and then it settles into a body of jasmine. So super light but powdery, long lasting, very girly, as Micah mentioned. It definitely makes you feel like you're the it girl. And we just wanted that scent that you can have when you're freshening up. Maybe you're getting ready to go out on a date, you just left the gym, or you just get ready to go on a night on the town. We just wanted something that was very versatile, soft, and just able to go with you wherever you are in your world on your journey. So she's Blackbird, and we would love for you to have her. Thank you.
Aw, so sweet.
Y'all make me so proud.
Y'all need to lock in. When I tell you everything, it's kind of like, it's giving very much how Beyonce shows up. Everything's intentional, everything is purposeful, and it's helpful, and it's only to support us. Make sure we are taking care of our hair, we showing up, we smelling good, we looking good, all the things. So you guys love my smoothing treatment. That was on my natural hair, that was my real hair. I just wanted something different, and so I had to come back. I got the final results for y'all in just a minute. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned.